colored wigs, right? Because you really don't have to do much to make them look nice. So this one is from One More Hair. I have worked with this company before. They did send me this brown wig. I've been loving my brown textures. Yes, I've just been loving it. So it did come with a stocking cap, some lashes, and a pamphlet. My nails is not gonna let me take this off. Here we go. Yeah, pamphlet, tell you how you can get money back, and then social media and all that goodness. But let's get into this wig right here. So y'all see that number? She's 30 inches in body wave. So let's unpack her. Okay, so you can see the color as she is right now. She's a very chocolate, warm brown, okay? So this is the cap inside construction. It is a stock wig, so you get 3 combs, adjustable straps. You do not get a full frontal, you get a partial frontal. This does not look plucked at all. So I'm gonna have to do a lot of work to make this look natural, but you know I'm gonna get there. So here's the thing. You can bleach these knots if you like. I think I might, but it's not necessary, okay? It's not necessary to bleach the knots. You can work around the knots being not bleached, okay? But this is on the darker side of a wig, so I would suggest that you do that in order to make this look as natural as possible. Again, this is super, super soft and nice. She is 30 inches. But yeah, so this wig is gonna make you put a little bit of elbow work into it to make it look nice, all right? So yeah, let's go ahead and bleach her and get straight to this video. So to bleach, you're gonna need a bleaching bowl, a brush, your bleach of choice. I'm using Quick Blue, of course. I always use Quick Blue. You're gonna need 30 val developer or whatever developer you use. I would not suggest using 40 because it could easily go wrong, okay? So you wanna do 1-to-1 ratio. So 1 scoop of bleach, 1 scoop of developer is going to give you the perfect consistency that you need to apply it to the lace, okay? So I'm mixing mine all up and I'm gonna flip my wig inside out so I can apply her to the lace, the bleach to the lace. So basically, I'm gonna leave the bleach on for about 15 minutes because this hair has already been lightened, okay? I'm only gonna leave it on for 15 minutes. I am gonna go in with Garnier Fructis to wash the hair and then to condition it. You are gonna have to condition this specific unit because this was previously lifted, okay? So it is a drier wig, all right? So you wanna keep the healthiness of this hair. You're gonna have to keep it hydrated, all right? So use silicone mix. I will always tell you guys to use silicone mix because silicone mix is not going to steer you wrong. Even add a little bit of clear cellophane from a door. The clear, add that into your silicone mix, mix that together, put that on your wig, let it sit for over an hour or however long you want to. It's going to do wonders. I promise you, friend. Like, oh my God. So yeah, I did not use purple shampoo to tone because I did not want to cool this color down. I like the warmth that it was given. It looks cool on camera, but it is on a reddish brown, but it's not too red, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna go in and I am going to, press out the hairline, pull down some baby hairs and curl her up so I could wear her. And this is just easier for me when it comes to placements because I know where my baby hair sits because these wigs are for me because I'm putting them on. And I know how I like my baby hairs. You do not have to wear baby hairs. You do not have to pluck your hairline. Oh, I did pluck this hairline because as you saw from the beginning of this video, it looks way more plucked than what it was from the beginning. So yeah, that's what I did. This wig, I'm a 22.5. So if you are anything bigger than a 22.5, you might have a hard time fitting this wig. Yeah, it fits me, but it's very much snug. So if you're bigger than that, I would not suggest that. I will see if the company has bigger sizes for you. If you are a smaller wig size, then this will be perfect for you, because you can utilize the combs and the adjustable straps, and you can always add an elastic band to this wig to make it glueless, or just to give it more stability for you. Okay, so I pulled the baby hairs down, I cut them at an angle with my razor, and now I'm just laying them down with a little bit of spritz and my edge brush. Okay, so I'm going to use my not my flat iron, but my pressing comb to like mold these in place so they won't move, so I can take pictures with them. If you're not comfortable using a pressing comb, then I would not suggest you do this step. I would suggest you use a blow dryer to do so. It'll just help you have the same outcome. It's just a little bit slower to have them dry down. Okay, but if you know how to do the temperature and how to gauge the temperature for a pressing comb, then be my guest. But if it's too hot, you can potentially burn the hair or burn the lace, so you definitely want to be careful doing this. All right, so yeah, so what you do to one side, you have to do it to the other. But this is how she turned out, and she was just so bomb. I was ready to put her on. But yeah, so I literally plucked that hairline. I could have did a little bit more, but you know what? A lot of people over pluck their hairlines, and you want to make sure you have longevity, especially if you're spending a lot of money on hair. Do not over pluck your hairlines. Let it gradually get to that point, you know. You just don't want to waste your money, because it sucks, like, you know, just doing that supernatural look, and then when you take your lace off, you can't use it again. Like, I would be annoyed. So, you know, just pluck what you need to have plucked to give you a realistic hairline without doing too much. All right, so I'm gonna take my Ruby Kisses in the shade 16. This is actually a little bit too dark for me at this point, but I'm gonna still use it because I haven't found a replacement to use thus far. And I'm gonna also put whatever is left on that brush on the front of the lace, because this lace was very much light and it needs to be my skin tone. So this is how I'm going to tint it. You can use other methods to tint your lace. There's tinting spray, you can use dyes, you can use makeups, you can creams, powders, whatever your choice is, you can do that to make it fit you. All right, so to install this wig, we're going to do it a glueless method. I am going to use Red by Kiss. I'm going to spray it on my hairline, blow dry it for 15 seconds, lay my lace down, and then blow dry it until it's completely dry. And I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other side. So once the hairline is dry, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the lace. I kind of pull the lace a little bit so it can give me a natural jagged look instead of me trying to give myself a jagged hairline. I like doing this, but be careful, because you don't want to over pull, because you don't want to mess up your work that you've done, and you don't want to tear your lace. All right, but you want to tug it a little bit while you're cutting it, because it will give you a natural looking hairline. And that's one of my, you know, things that I've been liking to do lately. And to lay my baby hairs down, I am using spritz with a baby edge brush, and I am just going to use that to lay my edges down. And that is that, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them down below in the comment section. This wig, like I said in my other pre-colored wigs, I am enjoying pre-colored wigs, okay, because you do not have to do all the work yourself. Now granted, I did bleach the knots, but you do not have to bleach the knots. That is definitely up to you. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Remember to always condition your wigs with silicone mix. And until next time, bye, best friends.